Hi crypto kings and queens, we're looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart. We do have supply and demand zone right here, which is very important. We are right now around the supply zone in between 43,500 and 45,900. So I can potentially see the market pushing up to these levels, and we can come up and retest it, giving us a bearish reversal pattern, and that will also give us a double top right here, which indicates that we can see the market with high probability continuing back down. At that point, we're looking at the demand zone around 36,300 and 34,600. Either we will hold it as a support, or we will actually break it, see retest, and create a new resistance, and then market continuing back down. But right now we're focusing on what's going on, and we need to focus on if we will hold this as a supply zone, or if we will actually break it, retest, and then see continuation to the upside. This is why it's really important that we're using these levels to see how the market is behaving around them, and after that we're taking a decisions. Should I short the market or should I go long on the market? Looking at Matic, we do have this weekly and monthly support trend line, and it looks like we can actually break back down to it. You can also see that on the higher time frames this could potentially be a head and shoulders right here, and that could take us back down to 1.100. If we're doing that, we obviously want to see if we're holding it as a new support going back in time. It was a very strong level. We can just drag this back down and see that every time we came to this level, the market actually did bounce back up. We tried to break it one time, we saw the fake out, you saw the retest continuation. So this can actually happen one more time, that we do break the support trend line, we see the market coming back down and retest this key level that we do have, and then see huge momentum back up one more time. So it could be another fake out from this level. We need to focus on what's going on, and we can definitely also see the market coming to this support trend line and see the market bounce back up. That will also give us a double bottom right here, as you guys can see, and that could take us back up. But everything obviously depends on how the candlesticks is working towards this level. We can also see a fake out from it, and it actually looks something like this. So we can see the fake out, you see the retest, market continues back up. So everything, it's a lot of things that can happen, but looking at this overall picture, I do believe that we can bounce back down. We're having the market creating lower lows and lower highs, and we're obviously combining that with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, it looks like the Bitcoin can go back down, and the same thing here. I can definitely see market coming back down to 1.100 and then bounce back up, because that goes in line, as I told you, with Bitcoin. The good thing is that we do have all of the different levels that we need. We do know that we are having the support trend line, so when we're coming to these levels, that's when we're taking, or I am taking, the decision what to do. Right now it's just a waiting game to see the market, if we're coming back down to it, and how the market is reacting. And guys, always remember that I am no financial advisor. You always need to look up everything yourself first.